right, so special thanks to this company for sending us their spiral LED table lamp. Let's open it on up and see what we got here. All right, slide it on out. That's it for in the box. Oh, wow. So, this is the spirally table lamp. Camera, of course, died right in the middle of that, so there's a little bit of the specs of the light and a little bit of how you turn the device on, change the color, and change the brightness. So it has a nice normal plug with just a definite on-off switch, and then everything else is actually controlled by this, what looks like a button, but you just touch it and long press it to change the brightness up and down. You can see the LEDs run through this and spiral all the way to the top, and there's a full-size USB-A port there where you can plug in any USB device and let it charge through this device. So really like the look of this. Let's plug it in and see exactly what it looks like. All right, so we have it plugged up. You got a nice little illuminated button there, and then that USB-A port on the side. Now let's cut the lights and power it on. So that's essentially at full brightness. If you hold this, you'll see it'll continue dimming until its dimmest point, which is right there. And then we hold again, and it'll continue increasing and getting to its brightest point, which is right there. Definitely love the look of it though. And if you tap here, you can change to a different color of light. Tap here again to change again, and then off. So there's the main on, a little brighter light, and then the more daylight, and off. So that should do it for this little tabletop touch lamp. Definitely love the unique design of it, and it's definitely putting off enough brightness. If you look, the whole room is pretty well lit up. So that should do it for this lamp. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.